Hello ACS, welcome back to another video. My name is Jacob, the president for the 25 to 2026 school year.
Hi ACS, my name is Ramy, the demos officer for the 25-26 year. Today, we're going to be writing with electricity, and to get started, you'll need a 1% starch solution, some phenolphthalein indicator, as well as 1.6 grams of either potassium or sodium iodide mixed in 20 milliliters of water.
In addition to that, you'll need about 2 to 3 filter papers, an aluminum pan, a 9-volt battery with a battery clip. You'll also need a copper wire pushed in through a pipette, and in order to make the handwriting look a little bit nicer, you're more than welcome to bend that copper wire in on itself to have a more blunt end. So we'll add in the filter papers into the aluminum pan.
And to get started, all you'll need to do is mix your starch and potassium iodide in about equal quantities, just enough to sort of cover all of the filter paper.
If needed, if the solution is oversaturated, you can flip the filter paper to get everything evenly coated. So once everything looks properly coated,
you can go ahead and get some phenolphthalein indicator and just go ahead and layer that all over as well. Be sure not to oversaturate.
Once all your solutions are properly mixed in with your filter paper, go ahead and clip on your anode to the copper wire, as so, and then your ground onto your aluminum pan. Once all the clips are properly placed, you can then go ahead and begin writing.
As you can see, we've got a dark brown color, but by simply flipping your cathode and your anode, like so, your writing will give a nice pink color. To find out why, let's head over to the whiteboard.
All right, so in order to understand what is happening in our reaction mixture, let's take a look at our equations. So the first step, when our copper wire is attached to our anode, our iodide, which is coming from our potassium iodide solution, is oxidized into elemental iodine. This iodine can now react with the starch that was in our solution to form a complex, giving us that dark brown color.
When we switch to a cathode connection, the water in solution gets reduced, leading to hydroxide, which in the presence of phenolphthalein gives us that pink color. Wait, so you can always just get your thing clipped to your goggles? I didn't know that.
Just clip it onto your goggles.
Wait.
Oh, hello there. Thank you again for watching.
And as always, please be sure to follow all lab safety whenever conducting an experiment.